People often ask me, how do I find out if a lawyer is any good? Or how do I find a really good lawyer? The answers are easier today than they used to be. The traditional way to find out if a lawyer is any good is by word of mouth, and that's still really good. Getting a recommendation on a lawyer from somebody who knows that lawyer is great, but there are other ways. One way you can find out if an attorney is any good is to find out if they are board certified by the Florida Bar. Board certification recognizes an attorney's special knowledge, skills, and proficiency in an area of law. Only board certified attorneys are allowed to use the terms specialist or expert when referring to their legal credentials. If an attorney is not board certified, then they're not an expert. Another way to find out if an attorney is any good is to check out one of the independent lawyer rating services. The one that is probably the easiest to use is called avo.com. You can go to Avo and you can type in, for example, DUI lawyer Fort Lauderdale, and you will see the ranking of the DUI lawyers in Fort Lauderdale. The ranking is done by Avo. Avo rates lawyers on a scale from 0 to 10, with 10 being the very best. But you just don't have to look at a lawyer's Avo rating. You can actually read reviews that clients and other lawyers have posted online. You can read what people in the know have to say about a particular lawyer. If you want to check it out, take a look at my profile on avo.com. Another way to find out if a lawyer is any good is to check out Martindale-Hubbell. Martindale-Hubbell Lawyer Rating Service has been around for years and is very old school. Searching through a big old directory used to be how people found lawyers. Now they have martindale.com. The very highest rating that martindale.com gives to a lawyer is AV. If you get yourself a lawyer who is AV, you've got yourself a keeper. There may be some good lawyers who are not AV rated, but there are no bad lawyers who are. Another site that's gaining a lot of attention these days is superlawyers.com. And despite the name, they really have a very sophisticated system of determining who the best lawyers are out there. Superlawyers.com identifies and tells you who are the top 5% of lawyers in every region, in every subject matter. So, here's my bottom line. If you do your homework and you find yourself a lawyer who is board certified by the Florida Bar, has an AV rating from martindale.com, has a 10.0 rating on Avo, has been recognized by superlawyers.com, then you have found yourself a really great lawyer.